Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna talk about how we can get the cool Auto-Tune filter for your TikTok videos. If you want to get and use the Auto-Tune filter for your TikTok and Instagram Reel videos, then follow my steps because I'll show you how you can apply the effect to your videos in just a few simple steps. And before we start, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more similar TikTok tutorials like this one. First step is to open the App Store if you are on an iPhone or your Google Play Store if you are an Android user, and just make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. This is a new filter that TikTok added, so you have to have the latest version of the TikTok application installed on your device. After that, we will simply open the TikTok application and then tap on the plus button to open our camera. We then want to record ourselves singing, talking, or whatever you want to do with your video, and we will add the filter in the next step. Once you've created your TikTok video, click on this little check mark, and we can then go over to the next step in order to add the Auto-Tune filter. We will click on this little microphone icon, and that's going to open all of the different voice effects that TikTok offers. Just scroll all the way down until you can see the Auto-Tune filter. It will be applied over our video and we can then save it. The effect is successfully applied to our video, and you can now share the video with your friends and family members. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.